The heat pump air conditioner broke down after driving more than 40,000 kilometers on a characteristic air in 2 years. When the air conditioner is turned on, there is no cold air. This is for you. You don't need to spend more than 10,000 to replace the heat pump assembly. You can repair the characteristic pattern.
Remove the compressor and heat pump. After removing the heat pump, use an air conditioner to air condition the heat pump. Because there is a lot of dirt inside, if you don't wash it, the heat pump won't have any problems. Remove the rear end cover of the compressor, disassemble the screw, and take a look at this. The rotor is broken. Clean, repair and replace the compressor with a new one. Restore compression one end cap to disassemble the heat pump. Use ultrasonic cleaning to clean impurities in heat pump aluminum tubes to restore the heat pump system. Put the heat dream back together and install the compressor. After installing the heat dream, you have to add 4 bottles. You must not add too much. The heat dream has been repaired and the air conditioner has been turned on to save water. It has repaired the hot spot outside Tesla mode and put more than 10,000 firemen on the road. Such a conscientious system company has so many key points to help you understand the tram better.